Author Barbara Hinsky here to show you the library, which is my husband's home office decorated for fall. Last weekend I posted some before videos and here's the after. So I don't do a whole lot in here. One of my favorite decorations in the house is this black pot full of fall leaves. I love that. Normally it's greenery. Wanted to pan over here. This isn't decorated, but this chair by the French doors is one that I write about a lot in the Rosemont series. People are always sinking into this library chair to think about things and do things, including Maggie on her first night in Rosemont, and outside her French doors in the Rosemont library, she finds Eve in the snow. Eve kind of seeks her out and adopts her, as stray dogs are inclined to do. So here's the library for fall. I wanted to also show you these two chairs here, which my husband and I sit in a lot when we're discussing things. When I first wrote Coming to Rosemont, I had no idea if it was going to be any good or not, if I was humiliating myself. While I was writing it, I didn't let anybody read one word of it. So one night we came home after dinner on Saturday night and sat in here. Brian was so patient and listened to me talk about in great detail the plot for Coming to Rosemont, and was so encouraging that I screwed up the courage to publish it. So that's where that took place. So check back for more little decorating videos.